Look around right now. Anyone with an internet connection can type a text prompt into a website and generate a full song in less than 30 seconds. It's fast, it's easy, and it's completely changing the game. But it brings up a massive question that every artist and creator is asking. Is the traditional music producer officially dead? Today, we are drawing the line in the sand. We are breaking down the critical differences between AI-generated music and real human production. I'm going to show you why an algorithm can mimic a sound, but why it still takes a real beatmaker to turn raw digital noise into an actual human vibe. If you want to know how to survive and dominate this new era of music, let's get into it. Part 1. The Hook and Introduction. With the rise of platforms like Suno, Udio, and Ace Studio, anyone can type a prompt and generate a full song in seconds. It begs the question, is the traditional music producer becoming obsolete? Today, we are going to break down the fundamental differences between AI-generated music and real human production, and why understanding this boundary is the secret to surviving the future of the music industry. Let's dive in. Part 2. How AI analyzes sound. First, let's understand how AI creates. AI doesn't feel music. It calculates data. It scans millions of existing commercial tracks, analyzes mathematical patterns, and uses probability to predict what note or drum hit should come next based on your text prompt. It is incredibly fast. And visually, it looks impressive. But structurally, it creates a flat, sonic landscape. It knows what a trap beat should sound like based on the past, but it cannot innovate for the future. Part 3. The Human Touch. Now, let's look at the human producer. What makes a beat hit hard or a vocal feel alive isn't perfection. It's the intentional imperfections. When a real producer programs a hi-hat pattern, they adjust the velocity manually, swing the quantization slightly off-grid, and change the texture over time to create a bounce or groove. A human chooses a specific 808 because of how it feels in their chest, not because a mathematical formula told them to put it there. This emotional intent is something an algorithm simply cannot replicate. Part 4. Audio fidelity and the stem problem. From a technical engineering standpoint, the gap is massive. AI models generate flat, pre-mixed audio files. Even when you use advanced tools to extract or split the stems, you encounter severe digital artifacts, phase cancellation, and muddy frequencies. A professional human producer builds a track from the ground up using independent, high-fidelity wave files. This allows for surgical EQ, sidechain compression, and precise spatial mixing that gives commercial music its depth, punch, and clarity. Part 5. The Ultimate Verdict. So, who wins? The truth is, AI is an incredible starting block. It's perfect for breaking creative block, generating fast arrangement concepts, or testing a rough vibe. But AI is not a finisher. It takes a real beatmaker, a real audio engineer, to take that raw digital clay and sculpt it into a professional human masterpiece. Don't fear the technology, master the tools, control the workflow, and use your human ears to make it art. If you want to learn how to bridge the gap between AI tech and professional engineering workflows, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Peace.